Duet. A song performed by two people together. They sang a romantic duet perfectly. Echo effect. A sound effect repeating your voice slightly. The echo effect made the song sound more dramatic. Lighting system. Lights creating a fun atmosphere. The lighting system changed colors with the beat. Microphone stand. A stand to hold the microphone. He adjusted the microphone stand to his height. Microphone. A device used to amplify your voice while singing. She adjusted the microphone before starting her song. Mixer. Equipment for adjusting sound levels. The staff adjusted the mixer to balance the vocals and music. Monitor screen. The screen displaying lyrics while singing. The lyrics appeared clearly on the monitor screen. Playlist. A list of songs queued for singing. We created a playlist of our favorite duets. Private room. A separate karaoke room for a group. We booked a private room for our party. Refreshments. Drinks or snacks served during karaoke sessions. We ordered refreshments while waiting for our turn. Remote control. A device to select songs or adjust settings. Use the remote control to change the song. Reverb. A sound effect that adds echo to your voice. The reverb made his voice sound like a concert. Solo. A performance by one singer. She nailed the high notes in her solo performance. Song request. Asking to add a specific song to the queue. He made a song request for his favorite ballad. Songbook. A catalog of songs available to choose from. He flipped through the songbook to pick his favorite track. Soundproofing. Material to block noise from leaving the room. The soundproofing kept the room quiet from the outside. Speaker. Equipment that projects the sound in the room. The speaker volume was set too high. Ticket counter. The place to book or pay for karaoke time. She paid for the room at the ticket counter. Touch screen panel. A screen used to select and manage songs. Use the touch screen panel to search for your song. Volume control. The knob or button to adjust loudness. Turn down the volume control a bit, it's too loud.